Good evening, everyone. Hope y'all have had a good Sunday. It wasn't too bad of a Sunday overall. Temperatures made it up to the 60s this afternoon. We had some sunshine, some breaks in the clouds, but rain has moved in and the clouds are returning as well. We've got scattered showers all up and down central Mississippi. The Pine Belt is dry for now, but y'all will be getting in on some of this rain later on. We'll go up and down this line. Carthage up in Leake County getting some good downpours down into Forest, and Scott County over towards the west. Southern Madison County, Canton and Madison getting some good downpours. Hinds County, it's like all of Hinds County is getting some rain at the current time. Over into Rankin County as well, the northwestern part of the county getting some good downpours. Further down to the south, we've got all the way down to Adams County and Natchez, Jefferson County, Franklin and Lincoln counties. Y'all are getting some rain as well. Further up into Crystal Springs, so up into Copiah County. So everyone's seeing some rain. This line's going to continue to move off towards the east. So if you haven't seen any rain yet, Macomb, y'all will see rain. McGee will see rain as well. Hattiesburg, the rain will come later on. You can see the rain falling in downtown Jackson now. Temperatures in the low 50s, 54 in Jackson, a little warmer in Natchez, 56 degrees. The reason for the rain today, another cold front and low pressure system, and that low pressure system is actually tracked a little further to the south than what I was expecting yesterday, and so that's allowing for more downpours south of Interstate 20. You can see that's where the bulk of the rain is, the heavier downpours south of the interstate. We'll track out the rain through the rest of this evening. Future Tracker doing a good job where the rain actually is now. Heavier downpours mainly staying south of I-20. That line continue to move off towards the east, and really by the time we get to midnight, expecting mostly dry conditions to have returned, especially for west of 55, but everyone else except the Pine Belt, just a few scattered showers left over. That heavier rain, of course, will be in the Pine Belt, and then you head into early Monday morning about 3 o'clock. Mostly dry conditions for everyone returns, but the clouds are going to stick with us. But you're not going to have to worry about much, if any, rain for that drive into work Monday morning. About a half-inch of rain is expected for most. Now, this model is depicting the potential for locally higher amounts south of I-20, which I do think that could easily happen. About an inch of rain in some areas will be possible, depending on how those heavier bands of showers track, so we will be watching for that. No flash flooding problems tonight, though. At most, you'll likely get an inch of rain, most of us staying below that, especially further north of I-20. Y'all will likely stay well below a half inch of rain. Temperatures in the low 40s tonight because of that cold front passage. It's going to be chillier, right near average, 43 in Jackson, 41 in Yazoo City. A little warmer further south in East Jar, 46 degrees in Hattiesburg because the rain will stick around a little bit longer and the cloud coverage will as well. Okay, here's our regional view. That cold front moving through. You'll notice the rain moving right along that frontal boundary. As that front moves off towards the east, so will the rain. By tomorrow morning, dry for the commute to work. Cloud coverage continuing throughout the morning, but by the afternoon, as that front moves further off to the east, high pressure will start to build in. That will allow for some sunshine by Sunday afternoon. Temperatures in the low 50s. Again, once that front moves through, cooler temperatures will be on the way. 51 in Jackson, 50 in Carthage, 55 in Hattiesburg. Starting cloudy in the morning, but by the afternoon, we will see some sunshine. Temperatures in the low 50s tomorrow, warming towards midweek, high pressure setting in, abundant sunshine Monday through Thursday, right near 70 degrees by Thursday. So you see our roller coaster, we're getting right back on that roller coaster as we head towards midweek, and then temperatures dropping way off by Friday. Cold front moving through on Thursday, low 50s by Friday, potentially the upper 40s by next weekend. Now, I know we're still a little under a week out from Saturday, but the models are indicating some Arctic air moving in. They've been consistent over the past few days. Now, the question is, how cold is it going to get? Some models are saying colder than others, but I do expect, the way things look now, the upper 40s for next weekend. Now, that's not our low temperatures. That's going to be our high temperature. Upper 40s likely by next weekend, and we'll likely stay in the 50s as we head into the beginning of the next work week. And it's possible it could be even colder than that, just depending on how far this Arctic air moves southward. Either way, though, you're definitely going to notice a difference from the 60s, near 70 on Thursday, to whatever our high temperature is on Saturday. Whether it's in the upper 40s or low 50s, you're going to be able to tell the difference. Rain chances are going to be 0 once we get past early Monday morning. So yes, a few rain showers early Monday morning for the Pine Belt. Dry weather Monday through Wednesday, an abundance of sunshine, especially on Tuesday and Wednesday, and then as we head towards Thursday and Friday, another cold front. Talked about that cold front. That cold front likely not going to bring us too much rain. A couple of isolated showers will be possible, especially late Thursday into Friday. Still, though, at this point, expecting mostly dry conditions, not only for this work week, but for the rest of the 8-day forecast as well. Lots of sunshine. Temperatures starting cooler at the beginning of this week, likely dipping below freezing heading into Tuesday morning. Temperatures back in the upper 60s by Thursday, though, and that starts our cool down. They'll peak in the upper 60s, but that's going to be as warm as they get. They're going to go down from there, likely in the upper 40s by next weekend, with those low temperatures below freezing. The way things look now, at least Saturday and Sunday morning, and we could even be dealing with some 20s by that point. Again, though, just keep checking back with us. It's going to be cooler next weekend regardless, but just how cold, we will continue to fine-tune this forecast as we head towards next weekend. But I appreciate y'all watching. Meteorologist Megan Hanna will be here tomorrow morning with your next weather update on Facebook Live as well as YouTube. We'll still be here tonight on the CW at 9 and WJTV at 10 if you want to check back with us. We'll have some more weather, of course, also some news and sports updates as well. Thank y'all for watching. I hope y'all have a great rest of this Sunday night.